Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Gala, we are trading at 0.02523. 24-hour volume, we are down 20%, and market cap, we are down 2%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we can see that we are hitting a channel or continuously in our channel as well, coming down to an area of support, resistance, and support. So we are continuously making a lot of higher low peaks and a lot of lower low peaks. And we can either break out in an uptrend or the continuation of this downtrend in the continuation pattern of our channel. Now here, compared to yesterday's candle, if we actually analyze yesterday's candle as well, we can see that the range at the very top and at the very bottom, we do have a huge surge compared to the bottom range and the top range itself. And today we are going to see very, very heavy selling features. And I am going to break it down in a 2-hour time frame, most importantly, show you a warning sign that we are going to be testing in the next couple of hours or so. But ultimately, we can see that the pressure is on and it is going to be a continuation of the channel itself until, again, we are already triggered that buying opportunity as we were going into yesterday's candle coming up to the resistance line here until we are able to see the MACD indicator show us into from the red into the green. We can see that the histograms here is dying down in the size, but most importantly, the color is lighter. So this bear market itself for Gala may have been over, or we may be at the end of it and hopefully again getting into the green. And if that does line up very nicely and the price is near the resistance line here, then we are going to be breaking out of the channel in an uptrend. But be prepared to see the channel continue on for Gala. Heading over to immediate short term for 2 hours, this is exactly what I wanted to show you here, is a critical area around our 50 moving average. So I'm going to zoom in so it's a bit easier for us to see, but we can see continuous rejection ultimately breaking and breaking below our 50 moving average. We can see these candlesticks as well. Here, this candlestick is a little iffy for a doji candlestick, and we can see that we have almost an engulfing candlestick, but into the red, and most likely we are going to get rejected from this 50 moving average. What I want to show you guys too, we can see on the RSI, we could possibly getting a buy opportunity, but don't be looking, in my opinion, you guys, again, my videos are not for financial advice. It's just for education purpose only. But if we're taking a look at the surge of the volume, really it's very minimal. Even though we do see a crossover of a buying opportunity, it does not go hand in hand or complement the minimum volume that we are looking for. So looking for long positions is going to be very difficult in this marketplace if the volume itself is not continuing with the uptrend itself. So one of the things that I also wanted to show you guys in this video that could give Gala a huge alert is when we switch over to the 4-hour time frame. If you haven't already saw it in the 2-hour time frame itself, is a possible double top chart pattern, and double top chart pattern is a reversal pattern here. So as you know, double top chart pattern is a M coming down to an area of support, coming up into the second peak, and then retesting this area of support. So we can see that in the second attempt of trying to create a higher high peak from the previous one, we failed again. So it shows us weakness of the buyers itself. And this is a reversal pattern, meaning this uptrend itself will actually be over in a retest of this resistance or the support line here at 2503. So 2503 is ultimately going to be our neckline of this chart pattern. And as we can see already, we are testing the waters ever so lightly here at 50% here. Now you'll notice here there is a gap, and now we know from my previous videos in gaps, this is left liquidity that does need to be filled in the future. It can be the near future, can be later on, but essentially this gap is left liquidity where the price is going to come back and fill this gap itself. So we're going to test this theory here of this double bottom double top chart pattern by essentially retesting this area of support. If the area of support breaks down, then really in our fib chart, we can only see this area of our neckline as an area of support back here on November 9th. We can see a few of our candlesticks here ranging from this node of our volume profile at 2 6474. That could possibly be a good area of support here, but it's all dependent on how strong that momentum is carried by our MACD indicator here. So we can see, again, the histograms are getting smaller in size and lighter in the color, and at a critical point near this area of support, if it does change from the green over to red, we may see price for Gala fall. So just be very cautious here. I just wanted to show you guys in our today's update for Gala Games. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.